So good morning, Tal. How are you?
Hi, Gal. How are you?
I'm great, doing great. So we wanted to talk today about a fairly new capability of Azure Storage, which is called Immutable Storage. Now, this capability can help customers achieve something that they haven't been able to do before, and it is prevent deletion or changing of crucial data. And usually, it can be used for customers who are interested in regulations like financial customers, maybe healthcare customers, I don't know, government customers, etc. So why don't you share with us your insight regarding it?
Yeah, right. No problem. And just before I demonstrate this capabilities of blob storage, let me just talk a little bit about what is immutable storage by concept. Basically, this is a storage that cannot be modified. You can use it in any case you like. Many of the uses and the best uses are just to put a retention on the container that will disallow a deletion of the files that it contains. So having said that, let me just jump to the demo. So here we have a storage account, a regular storage account. And if I get into it and go to containers, let's create a new container. We'll call it my immutable storage. Okay. And we'll keep it private. That's not a problem. And anyone can upload files to this container. This is very standard use of blob storage. Now, if I go to access policy, I have a new policy that calls immutable blob storage. And what it can do, I can use two kinds of policy types. The first one is legal hold. Legal hold is using a tag that any file or any object that has a tag, a specific tag, will not be able to be deleted. But this
So
is
this can be done in the file level, like in the blob level?
yeah, but if you have the right credentials, you can go and remove the tag. So basically, this won't help you prevent a deletion. It only will postpone the process. But the other policy type I'm talking about is time-based retention. And this can be between 1 day to 146,000 days. That I believe is supposed to be something like 400 years. But let's take 5 days for this demo. So when I choose this kind of policy and I press OK, I will have a time-based retention on a container, on our container that we created earlier, and it says 5 days. Now, until for the basic, it's unlocked. I mean, until I will make it locked, I can still do any change I like. I can get and edit this retention and decide maybe I want it to be 50 days or 500 days or etc. etc. I'll take 5 days as the demo. And when I go here and lock the policy, it says, OK, ready. After you press the OK button, you will have to wait the retention to be able to delete the files that you're going to put here. So when I type yes and OK, and now we have a locked state of an immutable blob storage policy. Now, basically, everything's looking the same, and I can go and continue and go back to my blob storage, my blob container, and upload some files. So let's choose a couple of files, let's say a couple of songs, and we upload them to to our storage account. Everything is completely the same. And I can continue and add more files to this container as much as I like. But what I can't do, and no matter what are my credentials, and I can be the owner of this system, it's not a problem, but I won't be able to go here and do a delete. Also delete the snapshot, and I can't do that. Fail to delete because there is immutable policy that prevents me to do so. The only thing I can do now is wait 5 days for the policy to be end, and then only then I will be able to delete those files. There's a lot of uses we
That's
can use.
awesome, by the
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
So, by the way, the previous one that you showed, I was thinking while you showed it, I think that this is better used if you have like a service account which does the legal hold. So if you prevent everyone to have it, of course the administrator will still have it, but if you limit stuff to service accounts, then it also might help with achieving something there. But this is also a great capability that we have right now.
Yeah, and if you use it by automation for application that writes data to a blob storage that needs to be legally held by immutable storage, this will be a great solution.
That's
And
great.
the price of the immutable storage is exactly the same on other blob storage.
You don't pay extra.
No, there is no other cost for this service and for this technology. It's a part of the access policies of blob storage.
Great, awesome. So thank you, Tal. Thank you for sharing this with us. It was very, very insightful. So have a good day, and we'll see you some other time. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.